Hey, it's Steve back at River Hall Community. This is the Pulte section. So come, let's have a look at this house. It's a Whitestone, so it's gonna be a 4-bedroom with an optional 5th bedroom, 3-bathroom, shy of 2,900 square feet. Really great model. It's an executive series, so you'll be in a 50+ lot. This is gonna be your optional 5th bedroom. If you kind of see here, it kind of lays it out here, your flex room, or your 5th bedroom. Very good size room. Let's keep it flowing. I've actually never walked one of these properties before. So this is your powder room here, so your half bath. This is going to be, extra storage. I like this. So standard garage, kind of give us an outside. So just a two-car garage. I know a lot of people from up north want to know the sizes. So if you kind of look at it, it's going to be 18.7 wide by 19.11 deep. So it's if you got like a pickup truck, I know people are worried, it'll definitely fit. Obviously this is bumped out now, so this is usually going to be pushed forward because this is one of the model homes. Because the way this is actually designed, you won't even get a car in here. But yeah, so double car garage, and this area here, I'm not sure what this is, why it's bumped into there. That might be, oh, the laundry room. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, laundry room's here. Again, I've never walked this property, so we're discovering this at the same time. As soon as I walked in the property, what I really love is these 2 double doors. So this is like a curtain wall that you find, say, in a condo. The whole back wall opens up. This is actually quite nice. Usually this door, like this, is in a GL home. This is like their trademark, to have doors kind of open from the center out, let's call it. But like this is, yeah, really nice. Nice design. A little gecko. Is that a gecko or a lizard? I've seen more here than I usually. Oh, that's a lizard. Is that a lizard? Yeah. Look at that little guy. What's up, buddy? God damn, he's quick, right? Yeah, so look at this great portico area here, like this lanai area, really good size. Remember, if you're not getting a pool with a cage, this will be screened off, like at these points here where this lintel, this header beam is. So this will be your basically living space when you do buy the house, unless you're gonna get the pool and the cage option. I mean, these double doors are great. I mean, it's getting a little hot, obviously, right now in Florida. We're at 107 today. But when it cools down, like even at night, we'll have all the doors open. It's quite nice. Also, this model is very cool too, because if you have like adult kids and you're like elder and stuff like that, you want to have your master bedroom on the main floor, this has it. So basically it's almost like a loft in a sense. So master bedroom on the main level, and then you're gonna have another 3 bedrooms upstairs. Yeah, so this is, I love these step downs. We're actually seeing models now, what they're starting to do is actually have this sort of like flush with the floor with a roll down, like a transitional period instead of having the step down. We're starting to see the new construction in Verdana Village have it. But yeah, really nice layout. Walk-in closet here. Oh, the water closet there, and this is going to be a linen. Yeah, it's actually quite a generous sized linen. Alright, let's keep going. So we'll head up upstairs. Again, I've never walked this property before. This is his storage. This is important too, like, so what we do is we have a lot of some Christmas stuff in here, and then also like golf clubs and stuff that you don't want to have in the garage just in case it, you know, they go missing and stuff like that. Okay, so great. So you walk right into the loft. Really great layout. This is a good house, honestly. For 2,900 square feet, I'm already really liking the layout. So just remember, these are going to be 8-foot ceilings, just maybe shy of 8 feet. Yorkshire is the same. When they start bumping up to 9-foot ceilings, and the second is the Rosehaven. Not the Rosehaven, the Roseland rather, like the house that I bought. Little area to put your board games and blankets and stuff like that. This is obviously, you want to set it up to have sort of like a family room setting, obviously a movie room. Let's have a look at this unit here. Yeah, Yeah, really nice. Great big windows. Walk-in closet. Yeah. Again, these windows, just to kind of give you an idea, I always do this. Sorry if this is redundant. My knee's about 2 feet, so you kind of see this window's about 2 feet off of the ground. So these are really, really like, you know, floor to wall, floor to ceiling size windows, which is nice. A lot of like natural light coming in here. Like you can shut these all down, you can see the light that's coming in. Yeah, so this is going to be one of the bathrooms here. This is going to feed the loft and these 3 bedrooms. It's going to be a shared experience between siblings. We have a small walk-in closet here. At least it's a walk-in. This is a great unit. Yeah, I like it. Another bedroom here. This is the 3rd bedroom. Again, this is a nice giant sized walk-in closet. Usually the female of the home siblings will take this. It's nice, right? One more thing I caught, just obviously I'm a little bit picky, but you kind of see this door is not centered. You want to make sure the door is centered. This is during the framing stage. Whoever you have representing you, hopefully I'm going to be representing you. And what we do is we obviously want to measure this to make sure this is going to be centered, because you kind of see there's a baseboard there, and then no baseboard here, and then this kind of molding kind of jams in together. But if this was more centered, you'd have a little bit of a gap, maybe a 1/4 inch gap here and there. Maybe they'd have to put this molding straight against the wall, but it'd be more centered, because it kind of looks odd when you walk down the hall and you kind of see this is like a one mold and then there's a gap there. Again, I'm just being picky, but you should take a look at that. That don't bother me. This was my house. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions regarding real estate, contact us direct at 239-672-0616. We'd be happy to take all your calls and obviously inform you on all the newest products coming to market, and also negotiate a better deal for you.